Hi, this is Elena Dinverno with Blake's Orchard and Cider Mill. Today we're going to do a DIY for reverse tie-dye, which we're going to do with bleach. So all you need is just basic household bleach. I recommend wearing gloves because it just gets kind of stinky. Some rubber bands, either a bucket or you can do it in your bathtub at home. So we're just going to do a plain black t-shirt today. And there's lots of different ways that you can wrap an item with rubber bands. If you just Google, honestly, tie-dye patterns, they'll give you all sorts of different tutorials. I'm gonna do a simple twist today just to show you how that works. So you grab the middle and you're just gonna twist and keep going until it coils in on itself. And then grab a rubber band, super simple, grab one side, pull it over to the other. On the other end, cross it over. And then I like to do a third one. And you can adjust them once the rubber bands are on. So I want to tuck this in a little bit more just so it makes a tighter coil. And that's it. So there's my pattern. And then I'm going to put this in my bucket and take just plain old bleach. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna see the fabric change very quickly. So I'm just gonna pour the bleach on here little by little in sections. And I don't want it all over the fabric because I kind of want the pattern to be a little more random. And it's already doing its job right now and turning the color. Once it turns the color that you like, you're gonna undo it and then rinse it a couple of times just with cold water. Put it in the wash all by itself and your product is done. And it just takes a couple of minutes for this to activate. And you can kind of see, I'll show you, the black is already starting to turn kind of a brown. To me, this looks ready. I'm just gonna unwrap it. Again, make sure you have your gloves on and you don't get bleach on anything else that you're wearing or you'll be very sad. And very quickly, we have a really fun pattern. This is something that you can see in a lot of like the high fashion magazines right now. They have all this reverse bleach, and it's unique to you, one of a kind. And if you want to do something else as far as a project around your house, I did one with a sweatshirt, just to give you an idea of what another color looked like. So this used to be dark green, and we did the same thing with the same technique. So enjoy your crafts and have a great day and stay healthy.